In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a column in Airtable. Adding a new column, or field, as Airtable calls it, is one of the most common things you'll do when you're building or updating a base. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through each click, explain what you're seeing, and share a few small tips so you understand exactly what's happening as you go. First, open your web browser and go to the Airtable website. If you're not already signed in, log into your account so you can access your workspaces. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Airtable dashboard. This is the main screen where you can see all of your workspaces and the bases inside them. Take a second to confirm you're in the right workspace, especially if you have multiple ones, because your bases are organized by workspace. Next, find the base where you want to add a new column. A base is basically your Airtable project or database, made up of one or more tables. Click on the Bases tile to open it. Airtable will load the table view, which looks similar to a spreadsheet, with columns at the top and rows of records underneath. Now, look along the top of the table where all your existing column names are displayed. Scroll horizontally to the far right side of your sheet. At the very end of your current columns, you'll see a small plus icon. This is Airtable's way of letting you insert a new field. Click on that plus icon to start creating your new column. A field configuration panel will appear, typically showing some options for the type of field you want to create. For this example, click on single line text. This field type is perfect when you just want a simple text entry in each cell, like a short note, a label, or a basic piece of information. You can always choose other field types in other situations, but we'll keep it simple here. In the name box, type the name of your new column. Make it clear and descriptive so anyone else using the base instantly understands what belongs there. Good naming helps keep your table organized and easy to maintain. Once you've entered the name and confirmed the field type is set to single line text, go ahead and click on Create Field. Airtable will immediately add your new column to the table and you can start entering data right away. That's all there is to it. You've successfully added a